Hey auction fans, Wayne Hecht here with you from Tiger Group, and today I'm on location in Fairfield, New Jersey for our latest project. This is a major aerospace manufacturer, and we have equipment that's available for immediate sale. You go to soldtiger.com, we have a list of all the available equipment, plus links to the photos of the equipment. And then also you can reach out to us. You can make an appointment to come inspect. You can walk this facility. It's an 85,000 square foot facility here in Fairfield. Again, equipment is for immediate sale. I think we have it priced correctly. And once you see the list, I think you'll be very impressed with all the available equipment that we have for sale. So please go to soldtiger.com. If you see anything you like, make your plans to come up to lovely Fairfield, New Jersey and take a look at some of this equipment. There's turning centers, lathes, grinders. I think there's a couple of honing machines. There's even a Vidmar stack system. There's actually 4 Vidmar stack systems here. So again, soldtiger.com. Just trying to give you a quick walkthrough of this facility. They are still in operation, so I'm trying not to disturb the operators as they're still fulfilling orders. And until next time, Sold Tiger.